What are your team's goals and your active projects?
Let's call them short-term goals. It's more like participating with Project Nixus in EuRoC 2024. We weren't able to launch last year, but we're pretty confident that we can make it happen at this year's competition. Yeah, so we are aiming to improve our systems. We actually passed our new flight engine CDR yesterday. So we developed a new iteration of our regeneratively cooled chamber. And so we are enhancing on a lot of subsystems of the rocket currently, and want to make it more robust. And yeah, so our short-term goal is basically being the first German student team that launches a bi-liquid rocket, and I think we would be also the first European team that launches a cryogenic bi-liquid rocket, because we haven't seen much cryogenic action going on in student teams so far. We are quite proud of that. Although we already launched a cryogenic system back in July with our hybrid 10 kilonewton system. We had liquid oxygen as oxidizer there as well. So yeah, this would conclude the first cryogenic bi-liquid rocket of us if we launch in October 2024. And speaking of long-term term goals, it's more like I already mentioned earlier, that we are always striving to develop the most industry standard systems. So what I'm talking about here is pump fed cycles that we want to look into, or we are already currently looking into. So to get away from the pressure fed system we are currently running, to get more to the industry standard tech that everyone is basically using right now. This would be the short and long term goals, and we're really happy to participate next year again, or we want to participate next year again, and hopefully see the rocket fly finally.
So you want to add turbo pumps to your rocket engine?
We want to add electrical pumps, so no turbo pumps, but e-pumps. So we are currently looking into the mechanical design as well as the engine controller side, and more stuff relating e-pumps as well. So there's a lot going on. But it's currently in the first development step. So we run some preliminary or mission definition reviews and stuff like that. And first tests will follow this summer. So that's the timeline. But just prototypes this year, and in EuRoC 2025, we're aiming for a pump fed cycle in the competition.